What's up guys, first we're going to make new composition, after that new solid, name it background. Okay, after that we're going to make our text. If align tool was not visible here, go to window and okay, here make it align to the center, add blur. After that add from here property, scale, again property, opacity. For scale we're going to 83, for opacity we're going to 0, and blurriness 63. After that rectangle, set offset here -100, click OK and go to 4 seconds, make it back 100. After that go to advanced, shape, change it to ramp up, amount is okay, is high 50 and is low 52. Turn on this and put 6 amount on random seat. Let's see. It looks nice guys. After that go back and we're going to add tracking and put a keyframe, add 4 and go to 4 seconds, put it 0. It looks nice. Now we're going to add a solid color and rename it noise, and we're going to add effect fractal noise. Double click here, change the type to swirly and complexity make it 3, go to transform and change the scale like I think this much is enough. Now press Ctrl Option in Mac on evolution and write time asterisk 35. We're going to change the mode to overlay. Now we're going to make adjustment layer and we're searching for Gaussian blur. Double click it, go to first frame and put 40 and go to 4 seconds, make it 0. Let's see. Nice. Change the mode to lighten. After that new adjustment layer and rename it to colorama. We're going to add colorama effect. Put it on colorama, move to this second and output cycle, double click on red and choose black. After that double click in green, choose an off-white color, gray, and press shift key to overlap on black and move left to remove this blue. After that press shift, change it to this side and this one to this side. Let's see. Now we're going to add a new effect, add grain, and change the preview to out, final out, and preset to 500T. Change the intensity to 1.2 and the size 0.7 and the softness 0.6. Let's check out. It's looking nice. Now for text, select text. We're going to add liquify, and from liquify select this shape, go to 4 seconds, change the size to something like this. I think it's enough, and put a keyframe for distortion mesh here. Press U, let's see where is it, and go to this frame and press and change the text like something like this. After that we can move this to first frame, and let's see.